I'm playing Hikaru! All right, let's play d4. That's funny. All right, everybody say hi to YouTube. All right, let's see. What are we gonna play against Hikaru? I'm gonna play the Trump. Gotta defend my home turf. Well, the good thing about, oh, he's playing such a solid line. The good thing about this game is that I can do and be whatever I want. First time in chat, this is a great time to be here because I'm playing Hikaru. This is like dope. Queen a5. All right, let's go here. Let's try to figure this all out. I can go knight e2, right? Hikaru's real fast, so I gotta not fall behind too much on the clock. Can I play bishop h6? No, that just hangs a pawn, right? Castles? Castles. He's so fast. It's very annoying playing Hikaru. Let's go a3. He wants to play b4, I guess. I don't want him to play b4. The other thing is, like, I always believe in myself to do, like fight back from stupid positions against bad players. I can't do that against this guy. This dude is legit the best Blitz player on the website. It's mad annoying. Because it's like, I sometimes will get bad positions against good players. And I'm like, it's no, like, I'll fight back. They're trash. Not here. I'm trying to, like, maybe play for e5. I don't know. Yeah, I beat him before. Once. Bishop f6. Okay. Guess knight g3, right? That seems like a logical follow-up. You can always, like, castle long, which is sort of weak. Yeah. I really didn't think much of that move. But now that I'm looking at it, it's pretty annoying. It looks pretty annoying. Let's go knight h5. Okay. f6. Really? Okay, let's go knight d1. c3. Okay, I can't go here. There's a fork. I'm definitely worse. I mean, these bishops are just beating my ass. I have maybe knight. Oh, I can't even play the move that I want now. It's like I don't have a move. My man is just not letting me make moves. Oh my god, does he have rook h4? No, I have g3. No, then he has bishop g4. Oh, rook h4 is not even a threat. No, it is. Bro, this man is like, he gotta knock this off, bro. This man, he gotta stop this, bro. I was like so slow to calculate all of that. All right, I guess I'm just gonna have to sack my queen. Yeah, he just has bishop g4. I guess I'll just sack my queen and play the game out. Ugh, yeah, he killed me. He just killed me. It wasn't even close. It's like you play Hikaru, you're like, maybe I'll survive a little bit. It's like, come on. All right. I got knights or something. I'll play a few more moves. I'll you know, maybe like never resign when you got knights. All right, just never do it. You know, you never know. Even Hikaru could blunder to a knight. Dude, he gotta knock this off, man. He could just take that for real. Damn. I'm gonna play like 3 more moves. I don't want to play anymore. I'm good. As long as I get 2. Maybe I'll resign when the knights get traded. How about that? No, he's just gonna take all my pawns. All right. That wasn't even. Yeah. What is this? Since when does it? Do you see this? It's asking me if I want to resign. Yes, I want to resign. Jesus.